Pay attention to the color ratios, listen for my voice hints, and guess the brand. Let's go! Blue, red, yellow, green. What brand uses this mix of colors so often online? Think fast. And the answer is Google. Blue and yellow. Do these colors look familiar from a huge showroom? 3, 2, 1. It's IKEA. Red, white, blue. Classic combination. But which brand keeps it cool? Here comes the merge. It's Pepsi. Red and yellow. A very recognizable color pair. Easy to spot from far away. Ready for the reveal? It's McDonald's. Yellow and red. Strong and bright colors. A familiar sight on long drives. Any guesses? It's Shell. Green and white. Clean and balanced. Just like a calm morning routine. Think you know it? It's Starbucks. Red, green, blue, yellow. Bright colors. Feels like a classic startup screen. Take your guess. PlayStation. Purple and orange. A striking combination. Always feels like it's on the move. Ready for the merge? It's FedEx. Red and white. Simple and strong. Where endless videos can pull you in, here comes the reveal. It's YouTube. Black and white. Minimal and sharp. Seen on so many fields and courts. Lock in your guess. Adidas. Black, blue, white. Cool and steady colors. Almost like a smooth ride. Take a moment. BMW. White, red, black. High contrast palette. Getting hungry already? Here comes the reveal. KFC. Red, blue, yellow, green. A colorful set, just like a page full of random finds. Any idea which one? It's eBay. Orange, purple, yellow. Warm meets cool, almost like something racing around a small globe. Ready to see it? It's Firefox. Blue and white, soft and simple. Found on so many everyday products. Think you know this one? Unilever. Red, orange, yellow. A warm gradient, usually sitting quietly in the corner of your wallet. Here we go. MasterCard. Dark green, light green, yellow, white, bright and fresh. A familiar sight near busy roads. Make your guess. BP. Purple and white. Soft contrast, where live chats never seem to stop. Get ready for the reveal. Twitch. Red and white. Clear and bold. Perfect for saving ideas and inspiration. Think fast. Pinterest. Blue and white. Calm and clean. Where your files feel right at home. Ready for the answer? Dropbox. Bonus round. Orange, dark gray, light gray. A bright, brainy vibe. Looks like something that really loves quizzes. Of course, it's Quizzy-Lab. Don't forget to subscribe. How many of the logos did you guess correctly? Share your score in the comments and tell us which logo you found the hardest. If you enjoyed this challenge, follow us for more.